Hello, everybody, and welcome back again. A video after long. Time is almost 2 a.m. Why am I awake? I'll tell you. Before that, why am I making this video? इच्छा थी वीडियो बनाने की, लेकिन सुबह से बनाया नहीं. तो रात में आई वॉज जस्ट राइटिंग माई डायरी, जो कि मेरा आई गेस समटाइम्स आई राइट डायरी, लाइक बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी होता है कुछ बताने का, तो बहुत पहले ही लिख लेते हैं, रात का वेट नहीं करते. एंड समटाइम्स इट्स लाइक जब चीज़ें हेक्टिक होती हैं तो लास्ट में रात के वक्त लिखते हैं. सो आई वॉज राइटिंग इट राइट नाउ. आई हैव सेट ऑफ डायरीज, लाइक इस चीज़ के लिए ये, उस चीज़ के लिए, पोएम्स के लिए ये, एफर्मेशंस के लिए, ग्रेटिट्यूड के लिए ये, टू डू के लिए ये, एंड ऑल दैट. I like maintaining it. I have a hobby of maintaining diaries. Anyway, why I made this video. मेरे दिमाग में ख्याल आया, जो कि आया और एक बार चला गया और एक बार वापस याद आया और अभी वापस से भूल गए. क्या ख्याल आया था? प्लीज़ मेरे होली पे ना चाहिए. मेरे को बहुत नींद आ रही है, बट मेरे को बहुत कुछ लिखना था और ये बिना लिखे हुए मेरे को चैन नहीं आता. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई थॉट कि ये लिख लेते हैं, वीडियो भी बना लेते हैं, क्योंकि मेरे दिमाग में एक थॉट आया और वो हम भूल गए, क्योंकि जस्ट अभी आया और वीडियो ऑन किए और हम भूल गए. हाय यार, 5 मिनट दो, याद करने दो. हाँ, 5 मिनट से पहले मेरे को याद आ गया अभी. सो व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग पोएट्री, सो व्हाट हैपेंड दैट द फर्स्ट पोएट्री आई रोट, वो तो बहुत बेकार था इन 2020. एज आई सेड इन माई प्रीवियस वीडियोज एज वेल कि आई यूज टू राइट बट नॉट प्रॉपर राइटिंग. फर्स्ट पोएट्री आई रोट वेरी बेकार 2020, एंड 2021 तक आते आते एकदम अच्छा लिखने लगे थे. फर्स्ट इस्टेब्लिश्ड अच्छा खासा जो मेरे पास है भी अभी लिखा हुआ, वो है इन्हें आज़ाद बनाए करके एक कविता है, जिसमें एक पंछी के बारे में मैंने लिखा है कि वो केज में रहती है, वो बंद रहती है, उसे आज़ादी चाहिए, उसे और क्या चाहिए. है वो अभी भी मेरे पास है. मेरा फर्स्ट एवर जो पोइट्री, स्पेसिफिकली पोइट्री वाला जो डायरी है, उसमें फर्स्ट पन्ने पे है इन्हें स्वतंत्र बनाए. नींद आ रहा है मेरे को. तो मेरे को बोलना क्या था कि व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग, सो मेरा ये सपना था कि आई वांट टू राइट अ पोएट्री बाय माई सेल्फ ऑन माई पेरेंट्स. मेरा ये सपना था. आई वॉज लाइक कभी लिख पाएंगे नहीं लिख पाएंगे, एक वर्ड लाइन्स जोड़ के राइमिंग बना के, लाइक आई वॉन्टेड टू एक्सप्रेस एवरीथिंग आई फील फॉर देम इन दैट पोएम, एंड आई रोट इट. आई वॉज सो हैप्पी. करते ये चीज़ अच्छा लगते रहा और करते गए और आज ऐसा है कि जब कलम पकड़ते हैं और किसी के बारे में लिखते हैं, मेड बी माई पेरेंट्स और एनीबडी, ओके, एनीबडी आई सी, आई माइट नॉट नो देम, बट व्हेन आई सी देम, जो भी आई फील आई कैन राइट विदाउट थिंकिंग दैट मच. बहुत ज़्यादा आई कैन राइट बिकॉज वो जो थिंकिंग है उसके लिए एफ़र्ट नहीं डालना पड़ता है. सोचना पड़ता है, बट सोचने के लिए एफ़र्ट नहीं डालना पड़ता है, क्योंकि वो बहुत ऑन द स्पॉट हो जाता है. आई नेवर न्यू दैट दिस इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन. लाइक आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ इट फील्स व्हेन आई थिंक ऑफ दैट टाइम. When writing that poem for my parents was like a victory for me, and now it has been habitual thing. So it's just that time teaches. Also what I was writing, gratitude, and I think 1-2 साल से which the gratitude journal which I was maintaining, जो कि ख़त्म भी हो चुका है, तो बहुत सारा gratitude का टॉपिक में सेम था, because the things which I am grateful for every second I am, and that only I keep on writing because. तो वही आज बात हो रही थी, me and my Mimi. I sometimes call my mummy as Mimi, sometimes with different names. So I irritate her a lot, but that's my love towards her. So we were talking, and she was saying me that Hana jeetna doesn't matter. The thing is that you're gonna do it. Thing is that when my mummy was um, as old as me, she was not having this much opportunity, this much support in her family, and these many things. Of course, you might also relate it with you and your parents if you compare. So they were not having as much of facilities as we are having at present day. So when we were having a talk, then she was like, doesn't matter whether you win or not, doesn't matter how much money it takes or not, doesn't matter how much input it takes or not. The thing is that you are doing it. Matlab, me winning or not doesn't matter to her. It never did. When I'm like, Mimi, I won, she's like very happy. When I say, Mimi, I lost, she's like, it's okay. She's still happy for me that I participated, for me to be happy and healthy. That is the main concern. And today, when she said that it doesn't matter and all that, whatever she was saying, I was just looking at her and I was like, I actually won. I actually won in life before I even took breath. Actually won. Because nobody is perfect. We as kids are not perfect. Our parents as parents are not perfect. Anybody is not. But whatever we are, whatever they are, we all accept each other and we learn. That is the thing. But like, I'm not saying to romanticize every relation and so and so and so. I don't want to sound like a typical वैसा बच्चा who is like, oh, parents, guardians, devta and all that, because I understand that in today's world there are some parents who do not support their children at all and who are like a medium not for support but to create trouble and to act as a boundary in between the person A and their dreams. So some are like that, but still, except those exceptions and those criterias, I believe if God exists in true form, then it's your parents. That is what I wrote today. मैं क्या करूं सारी दुनिया के जीत का माँ, मैं जब जब तुम्हें देखती हूँ मुझे मैं विजेता जैसी मालूम पड़ती हूँ, तुम ही मेरी सबसे बड़ी जीत हो माँ। और पापा दूसरे, उसके बाद ही कोई भी होगी जीत मेरी मेरे लिए। जीत महसूस नहीं होती, प्रिपरेशन से भी ज़्यादा क्या महसूस होता है ना, वो स्माइल विच इज़ देयर ऑन योर पेरेंट्स फेस, वो मुस्कुराहट जिसके लिए तुम हर चीज़ न्यौछावर कर सको, कर दो बिना सोचे बिना समझे, वो सेल्फलेस लव, वो कमिटमेंट। दैट इज़ व्हाट आई वांटेड टू टॉक। लाइक कितना लिखें आई एम जस्ट लाइक थू। आई रियली होप दैट यू ऑल हैव the bestest time of your life with your parents, with your family, with your loved ones. I wish that you care for them. I wish that you have the strength to show this to them, to write it somewhere, to express it, and in the best possible way to just hug them someday. And it's my dream too. That one day I'll be standing at a post, may it be a stage, may it be a job, may it be a business, may it be nothing but just as a good human being. My parents in front of me, proud in their eyes. They are still, But I'm not satisfied because I know there's different things we need to like do in life. Every day is day one, and you should not wait for one day, but I know that one day is coming soon, and we are getting closer. And that day I really do wish that I keep on hugging my mother, but I never hugged my father. No particular reason for that, but I really do wish that someday he be the audience, he be so proud, he witness my whatever I'm doing, he be present over there. You've seen that quote, that poster thing, in which it was showing that a child has won and a child has lost. There are two children, child A, child B. Child A won, child B will lost, but child B is going with the parents, and child A has nobody with him. He's alone. He's going alone with a trophy. The real trophy is the hand of the parent. My parents have always supported me, but I've never witnessed any such thing that, like, I was there, I was getting a medal, I was getting certificate, and I was presenting something, and in the audience I saw my parents. My parents were always there with me in my heart and everything. Like, they are so cool. They are so cool that they do not even bother to attend the events. They're so chill and cool. I love them so much. I'm not justifying them, but I just want them to be in the audience someday, cheer for me calling them on the stage, and just all I want to say is that I've seen God on earth. I worship every statue. I worship every time I apply tilak on my head, and every time I do any kind of worship, it's for you, it's for you, it's for you. I have seen God in real life, and that is none other than my mama, none other than my pee, my papa. Because I always do call them with nicknames, because for me that is that is something I do, like, as an act of love, as an act of affection. With that note, I really do wish that you all succeed in your life, and for that you must keep going no matter what problems are going to come, but let it be, because you're always stronger than the problems. I'm too sleepy. Finally, it's 2:10 now. Good night, guys.